welcome back to my channel. Today's video is episode 3 of Career Standout Online. And if you are new, this online series is about how to leverage online platforms and social media networks to increase your chances of getting hired or to build your online career portfolio. I haven't published a video in the past 2 weeks, but now that we're here, we're going to continue this video series. We still have about 3 more episodes, so keep watching. In my last video, I talked about how to leverage your job application and networking using LinkedIn, which is a professional network. Now, this time we're going to talk about how you can use Facebook to build your online career portfolio. And a lot of you may say, why do we use Facebook when it is mostly for social networking? Well, that's a good question, but actually a lot of employers and recruiters are already on Facebook, and believe it or not, a lot of them will also check out your online profiles or social media networks to make sure that you're not doing anything sketchy before they hire you. A lot of agencies or organizations are already checking out people's social media profiles to make sure that they are really who they are talking about on their resumes or their cover letters. So how can you use Facebook to build your online career portfolio? There are 2 ways for you to do this. The first one is using your personal Facebook profile. Now you might say that, why am I going to use my personal profile? The good thing about this is that you already have a friends list that can automatically see your posts on their news feed. So if you post something interesting and if you have questions, for example, then they can readily share your posts. And you will also need to set your posts on public mode, not private or friends or selected people only on your friends list, for people outside your profile or your friends list to actually see what you're doing on your profile, because it doesn't make sense if you use your Facebook profile to build your online portfolio and only your friends can see it. So of course, for example, if potential clients or recruiters will look at your Facebook profile, they'll be able to see your public posts. The disadvantage though of using your personal profile is that if you're someone who doesn't want to combine personal and professional lives, then you might find it a bit difficult to share on your personal profile because you want it to be private or you want it to just be shared to your friends list, which is okay. And in that case, your option would be to create a Facebook page, similar to what I have for this channel. I have my own personal Facebook profile. I also have a Facebook page for Raya Ninja, which you can see on the description below. One good thing about creating a Facebook page is that you can create posts or content without adding people to your friends list, obviously, because people will just follow you or like your page if they like or if they want to see your content. Pages are instantly public when you publish them. It's not like a Facebook profile wherein you'll have to select whether you're going to share it to your private network, to your friends, or to the public. So it's up to you which one you would choose. It's just that for the Facebook page, you might be bogged down with the idea of vanity metrics, like no one's following your page or no one's liking your page. Now remember, that is not your goal of creating a Facebook page. You have to start creating valuable content, which we're going to talk about in the next few videos. And the followers and the likes and engagement will definitely follow. So Facebook profile or Facebook page, it is up to you. To define an online career portfolio, let's take a look back at what a traditional career portfolio is. Maybe you have encountered some people who have clear books of their sample works or whatever they have done in their past experiences. It is one way for clients or employers to see what type of work they've done and how good they are when it comes to performing the type of work that they do. But nowadays, a lot of career portfolios are already online. So basically, you create this portfolio to organize, to plan, and to showcase your work. even if you don't have a work experience, you're just starting from scratch because you're a fresh grad or you're an undergrad, there's no problem with that. It's all the more important to create your online career portfolio using either LinkedIn or Facebook. And in this case, we're talking about Facebook, for you to put yourself out there and make an online footprint so that future recruiters, employers, or clients will be able to see what you are about or what are the things that are important to you. The first thing that you want to do is to create a page. If you're watching this video, I'd assume that you already have a personal Facebook profile, but if you don't use Facebook, then you might want to watch my previous video, which is about LinkedIn. But if you are open to using Facebook, then do a quick audit of your personal profile, and I'd say check out your previous posts, your previous public posts, and see which ones you can show to the public or you can show to future recruiters and employers. If there's anything that you feel that's so private or that's not appropriate for your field of work, then consider changing the visibility. So maybe not for public, but just for your friends list or to selected people only. If you want to use a Facebook page, then go ahead and create one. It's very simple. If you're looking for new career opportunities that you can do at the comfort of your home, then make sure to check out the link in the description below. I have linked the Facebook page of Multiply Me. It is a new age BPO company that offers remote job opportunities to Filipinos here in the Philippines. There is a competitive salary and compensation benefits. Not a lot of online employers provide this, but Multiply Me does. And I'm very proud to be their partner in this. So if you feel like you need to either change direction with your career path, that you want to shift from office-based to home-based job or remote job, then this is your chance. On our Facebook page, you can see different job opportunities that we share from time to time. We also have a future opportunities program where you can apply. So even though you cannot find a role that fits you just yet at the moment, we will message or inform you if there is a role that will fit your skill set. So again, link in the description below. The second thing that you will do when you already have a profile or a Facebook page is to start planning your content. In the next episode, I'm going to share with you some of the content types that you can create and you can post on your Facebook profile and your Facebook page. So you can either curate, you can either create your own, but we're not going to talk about that today. What I want to point out is that for your page or profile to be your online career portfolio, you'll have to start creating content that will help you become not necessarily an expert if you don't feel like you're an expert just yet, but at least someone who is knowledgeable about your field or your niche. So for example, if you're applying as a customer support specialist, then you can share things about being a customer support specialist, or if you're aspiring to be one, then share things or content on your Facebook page or profile that are related to your field or the niche that you're aspiring to be in. Number 3 is invite your family and friends to like your Facebook page if you want to create a Facebook page. And for sure, they'll be very happy to support you. And in that case, at least you'll have some people as your audience who can share your content or recommend your content or ask other people to like your page as well. No pressure, of course. If they want to like your page, then they will. If they don't want to, then it's okay. Just make sure that you are enjoying the process and you're not getting stressed with the vanity metrics, like whether or not you get a lot of followers or get a lot of likers and engagement. It's okay, you're still starting. Then again, I mentioned earlier that you'll have to focus on the content first, right? Before thinking of followers and likers or all of those things that are basically just on the surface. Number 4 is share your page to your personal profile. It might be a bit of a work at first, but when you're starting, you need to have a bit of visibility. And it's hard to get that when you have a page compared to when you have a Facebook profile, because Facebook's algorithm would usually push Facebook profile posts first before Facebook pages, unless you are creating an ad or showing a post on your Facebook page wherein you paid for it to be seen by a lot of people. So in that case, the best way to get your page seen is to share it to your Facebook profile and let your friends and family know that you've created that page to act as your online career portfolio, wherein you will post things that are related to your field or to your niche. And the last one, number 5, is to create posts and publish consistently. It does not have to be every single day, but maybe every 10 a.m. of Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, you're going to post something helpful to your potential audience, or maybe every weekend. So it's really up to you, as long as you fill your online space with something valuable like tips, something that can inspire or motivate or even entertain. As long as it is something that provides value, then you should be good. Now, some of you may say, why am I doing this on Facebook? That's a question that I have earlier, but I just want to bring back the message to this point wherein a lot of employers, companies, and recruiters are already looking at social media profiles to verify who you are. So if you are posting something professional on your Facebook profile and page, then that's additional points for you, which can help you with your job application. And you don't have to be super stiff and strict or super serious with your posts or your content. You can definitely let your personality shine and add something that will tell people about who you are. And of course, it's up to you, up to what level you want to share on your profile or your Facebook page. If you want to know more about how to build up your career online, then make sure to check out the first episode and second episode of this video series. Or if not, you can also check out my work from home video series. I'm gonna link it up there so you can check it out after this video. I'll see you on the next episode, episode 4 of Career Standout Online, next Friday. Take care and stay safe. Bye.